Okay, here we are doing a cabin filter or pollen filter, whatever you want to call it, in a Honda Civic 1999 model. Well, it's 1995 to 2000 model. Might fit for other models as well, but this is mainly for a Honda Civic. This is a right-hand drive. Might probably work for a left-hand drive as well for you across the sea. But basically, it's quite a good job for a DIY. A bit of patience, bit of grit. And that should be and it should be quite an easy job for you. Should be done once a year. These things don't cost a lot, but the main thing is just trying to do it methodically and try not to break anything. So first thing you got to do, you got the glove box. It's probably like yours. You're gonna have to take everything out. There's no getting away from that. Yeah, a bit of Black Sabbath. Empty it all out. Everyone you come across has always got so much crap in here. It's probably why it doesn't get done. The idea of this is you've got to release, drop this down. So you squeeze them in together, try and pull it out, and it should drop down. So, and in there, get my light. Maybe you can see that. Got 2 screws there and 2 screws there. Mine, for some reason, has got a bolt put in it. Someone's probably lost it, but they're Phillips screwdrivers. You're going to need a long-handled one for this. So what it is, so just undo them. I mean, you can use other stuff as well. Pull that one out. Just drop that. I don't know why they make them so blooming difficult. I mean, it should just make them so easy accessible so you can change them once a year. I think it's really important, especially with the pollutions and stuff like that around at the moment. So you've got 4. And the idea is this silver frame, just drop it out like that. If you take that one out as well, and that should come down, and then you've got this panel here. Get me light on it. You see the panel down here. Underneath you've got a tab. Pull it out. Try and unhook it if you can, and then this is what you're looking for here. This is the bit. So you've got an arrow. It's going that way. Pull it out, and there's your cabin filter. Just pops out like that, comes out. Get your other one, pop it back in. Very easy. There you go. I mean, this is a man filter. Genuine filters are probably great. I mean, bearing in mind it gets quite hot under there and it's stopping all the pollutants and stuff like that. For these Honda Civics, if you've got air conditioning, it's a different size pollen filter than it is for without air conditioning, so bear that in mind when you're ordering your parts. So make sure your arrows are pointing towards the console. Obviously on your left-hand drive ones might be different setup, but the concept's the same. Put it back in, just push it in like that. Get your tab, get your cover, push it in, and then it's just this is where you have a bit of a scrap with it. There it is. In, and then put your screws back in. Put your screws back in. And then just as you the reverse, as you found it, get it to go in. Just the reverse as you took it apart, really. But that's where it is. That's as easy as it is. If you look under here as well, I've done a video on it. That's where your blower resistor is, your rear stat for your heater. So if your climate control's not working very well, then that's the place to look. There is a video on that, I'll link that at the end of the video. And that's pretty much it really. There's a bit of wiring under there, but change them out once a year and that should be pretty much all you've got to do. Hopefully this helps you. This is a replay of another video I did, so hopefully this is a better quality one if you've been here before. If not, then you got a better version of it. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.